We now fetch from the nearby streams, use the water for cleaning ourselves and the home use. We no longer even smell. The community should stop charcoal burning, and if they want to do so, they should make sure that if you cut one tree, you plant 15 trees so that you save environment. I'm very glad that the hills that had no plant cover are now covered by forest, and now we are trying to discourage people who still have the heart of burning these forests to stop it so that we can have a good environment for our future generation.